Hi there, it's Victoria Dominguez. I wanted to give you some idea of how I use MyOpenMath and integrate it into Canvas. So I'm in the home page of MyOpenMath. I have created several courses. I've been using MyOpenMath for Math 25 at Citrus College, as well as 065165, our statistics with co-requisite support, and then coming up this fall, I'll be using it for our 062162, our business calculus with co-requisite support. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to log into MyOpenMath so you can create a login. It's very quick to get one within one day if you haven't yet tried to do that. They just need to confirm you, and the way they do it is through your email address. It will have the at citruscollege.edu, so that should be pretty quick. Then you'll want to add a new course down here, and the course you'll want to find to copy for statistics with co-requisite support is this one, and it's Math 065165. Let me click on it for you and click on the course settings. So the course ID, if you wanted to go directly to that, is 40625. And that's all you should need. Let me go back to home, because if you click on Add New Course, go to Copy from my or a colleague's course, and then you can just enter the course ID 40625 and look it up, and there's my course. So you'll want to continue, and it will create a new course for you in your home area of MyOpenMath. So one thing, let's pretend that I just did that, and I'm going to go over back to my Math 065165, my Spring 2019 course. The course settings is something you'll need to pay attention to. So once you create and copy the course, look at this LMS integration LTI. You'll need two pieces of information. You will need the LTI key, which is this right here. We will want to only allow access through the LMS. We want to keep students, when they're working in the course, we want to keep them in Canvas for their convenience so that they don't have to worry about going out of Canvas into my math lab and so on. Also, so they are not tempted to go and log into Facebook or log into Instagram and stuff like that. It keeps them engaged in the course, keeping them in one place. So you'll want to copy, and this LTI key, you'll need that. You'll also need this LTI secret. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go to my calculus for business and social sciences, my co-requisite course that I created, and I'm going to go to course settings, and I'll be copying my LTI key and the shared secret, the secret here, when I go into Canvas. My other tab here now is Canvas, and I have a demo sandbox, so I'm going to connect this Canvas course to MyOpenMath. I created a folder in assignments called Mom Assignments, MyOpenMath, and I'll create the assignments in here. But before I can do that, I need to tell Canvas that I want to use MyOpenMath. So I think you can see down here at the bottom left corner is settings. You'll want to open the settings, and if it's not already there, click on the Apps tab, and you'll want to look for MyOpenMath. And there it is. So click on it, and you'll want to add it if it's not already added. It probably is not going to be added already. You'll want to, it's not one of the standard apps that comes with a Canvas shell. So when I click on Add App, see what it's asking for is two pieces of information. The consumer key is that LTI key. So I'm going to go back to my MyOpenMath class, and I'm going to copy and paste the LTI key. So I copied it, Control C, and then now back in my Canvas course, Control V will put that consumer key right there. And then the secret, the shared secret, I'm going to again copy and paste that into Canvas and click on Add App. You should get a confirmation here that says that the app was added successfully. And if you click on View App Configurations right here and go page down a little bit and find MyOpenMath, there it is right there. And I'm going to click on Edit just to take a look at it. So there's the consumer key that we entered a minute ago. And you can't see the shared secret, but it's there. Don't worry about this launch URL because Canvas takes care of it and does not need you to put in anything else into this page except for just the two things you've already entered. So I'm going to cancel out of that. Now we've made a connection from MyOpenMath into Canvas. We need to create an assignment that will then take one of those classes, one of those assignments in MyOpenMath and create it in Canvas. So in my Mom Assignments folder, I'm just going to click on the plus and I'm going to create an assignment. Let me click More Options to have the full screen of the assignment be open. And I'm going to click on, type in Mom Section 1.1. And say all my homework assignments are 15 points. There's my assignment group, and I want to display the grade as points. I do want to count these assignments. They are part of the final grade and in my syllabus. Now here's where the submission type will use external tool, and this is where you're telling Canvas, okay, grab this assignment from MyOpenMath. So I'm going to click on Find, and I'm going to page down. You can see there's two scroll bars. This one did it. It was enough to put the inner scroll bar, but if it wasn't, you could also scroll down with the outer one. But you can see there's MyOpenMath. So I'm going to click on that. And here is where Canvas now is asking MyOpenMath, well, what course are we using? It's just confirming this. So I'm going to click on this drop-down list, and I'm going to find my course, which is this one right here, this long name, where I want to get all my assignments from. So I'm going to click on the course, click on Link Course, and now all the assignments that are available, you can see all of them here, it's asking me which assignment do I want to use for this certain assignment, this specific one I'm creating in Canvas. It was Mom Section 1.1, so I'm going to make placement. And now I can set a due date. In fact, I recommend you also set the available from. So this is for fall 2019, so I'm going to make it available starting Saturday, August 24th. That's technically the first day of our classes in fall. And then I'll have these due maybe Tuesday, September 3rd, but I want them to be due when my class begins, and I have an 8 o'clock class. So let's go ahead and put in 8 o'clock a.m. I could do that down here or directly in the due date, which is what I did originally. Either place works. I didn't have to do it again. I'm just showing you that it could be in either one. I recommend that you make the due date and the until date the same. And also understand that in MyOpenMath, you should create a beginning date for the class and an ending date. I recommend in MyOpenMath you make that window a little wider. So that way, whenever you start your assignments in Canvas, it'll be within that window. It won't be outside of it. I'm going to click on Save and Publish. And there's the magic. So I created section 1.1. This assignment is directly from MyOpenMath. So I'm going to edit Mom section 1.1. I'm going to change the due date and the open date just so that we can see it right now. Let me go ahead and wipe it all out. Again, when you create your actual assignments, you will want to fill these in so that they open on the first day of classes or whenever you'd like them to open, and then they have actual due dates. Click on Save there. All right, so let's go now to Settings, and I want to go into Student View. I'm going to go to Assignments, and let's click on Mom Section 1.1. So notice here on the top right corner, it says Test Student. When I go to MyOpenMath now and I click on my course and I am in the test student, and that's the problem right now is let me leave the student view just so that it doesn't get so confused. And let me go back here. Now I'm in instructor view because see, you can have different views. It was in student view. It picked that up from Canvas. When I go to court, let's see, I want to go to roster. There's the test student. Now notice to connect MyOpenMath with Canvas from a student perspective, the student doesn't have to do anything except for open any assignment. The first time they open an assignment, and it doesn't have to be the first one, it could be any assignment you have, a record will be created for that student in MyOpenMath. And the grades will flow pretty much immediately. When they do work in MyOpenMath, you will see the grade for that student in Canvas. It's the most effortless grade sync that there is. It's better than my Math Lab and my Stat Lab, in my opinion. Definitely better than WebAssign. And it's free. So what could be better than this? Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to contact me, vdominguez@citruscollege.edu, and I'm happy to help you. Thanks. Bye.